Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one subscribe, two like, three share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. And three like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Four. Subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is factoring trinomials using sum and products method. So we have the formula ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we have now example. We have 3x squared plus 11x plus 24. When factoring these trinomials, the factors will be two binomials. Okay, so we have here 2x. We know that the first terms of each binomials must be x because the first term of trinomials is x squared. That has the factors of x and x. So two x's. So the challenge is to find the last term of each binomial. They must be chosen so that they will cause the coefficient of the middle term and the last term of the trinomial to work out. So that's 11 and 24 in this case. So their sum equals the middle term of the trinomial. And that is, okay, and the product of those same numbers equals to the last term of that trinomial. That will be 24. Okay, so let us list the factors of 24. So the factors of 24, so we have 1 times 24, the sum is 25. If 2 times 12, the sum is 14. 3 times 8, the sum is 11. And 4 times 6, the sum is 10. So it is the factors 3 and 8 that produce the sum of 11 and the product of 24. So they must be the last terms of each binomial. Thus, the factor is x plus 3 and x plus 8. If we multiply these factors using FOIL, we get the following that we started. So FOIL stands for first term, outer term, inner term, and last term. So here we have the first, okay, that's the first, which is x times 6 equals x squared. The outer term, which is x times 8, which is equal to 8x. The inner term is 3x, and the 3 times 8 is equals to 24. Thus, x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 2x. As we look at the four terms above, it becomes apparent why the sum of the last term in its binomial must be equal to the middle term of the trinomial. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, this is correct. Yes. Next, let's have this example, a squared plus 16a plus 28, okay? So we have 28 and the middle term is 16. So by finding the factors, their sum must be 16, no? So a squared, of course, 2a's. So we have here 2 and 14 must be the sum of 26 because 2 times 14 is 28. If we're going to add 2 times 14 is 2 plus 2 plus 14 is 16. Okay, so this is the okay, let's have here example y squared plus 2y plus 1. Of course, so y squared plus 2y plus 1. Okay, so of course we have the factors of 1 is 1 times 1, which is equals to 2. Sometimes there is only one pair of factors to consider. No, thus y plus 1 and y plus 1 is the factor. Example number 4, we have m squared plus 3m plus 1. So of course the factors of 1 is 1 and 1, but their sum is 3. So in this example, the factors available do not make the sum of 3, which means that the trinomial cannot be factored. For example 5, we have p squared plus 23p plus 120. Okay, so these are the factors of 120. So 1 times 120, 2 times 60, 3 times 40, 4 times 30, and then 5 times 24, 6 times 20, 8 times 15, and 10 times 12. Their sum must be 23. So do we have here sum of 23? 15 plus 8. Okay, so 15 plus 8 is 23. Okay, so in this example, there are many pairs of factors to consider. So most example will have fewer than this. So the trick is in being able to quickly find all the factors that of C. Okay. Okay, so we have the example number 6. We have x squared plus 5x plus x. Okay. Of course, the factors of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 times 3. Okay. But their sum was 5. So, isa lang nakita natin dito. Yung 2 and 3 is their sum is 5. Okay, so therefore the factors is x plus 2 and x plus 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, so this one is the final answer. Next. In each of the preceding example, the signs of the terms in the trinomials are always positive. Now we will observe examples where the signs can be negative. For example, x squared plus 5x minus 6. So of course, we need to find the factors of negative 6. So we have negative 1 times positive 6, a negative 2 times positive 3. But their sum must be 5. So therefore, the factors is 1 minus 6 and x plus 6. X minus 1 and x plus 6. Okay. When looking for the factors of negative number, one must be positive, okay, and the other must be negative. If at the same time their sum is positive, then the factor that is bigger must be positive 1. Okay? So let us review the rules of for sign numbers. So in adding, positive plus positive is positive. Positive plus negative is the sign number bigger. A negative plus positive, of course, dito, if the sign number bigger number. A negative plus negative is negative. Okay, so kung anong malaki dito, we subtract, no? We subtract and follow the sign of the bigger number. In multiplication, same sign, positive, and unlike sign, negative. For example, in x squared minus 5x minus x. Of course, so since negative 5 ang ating sum, okay, so we got here x plus 1 and x minus 6. Okay, because negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. That's it. So when both products and sum are negative, the factors have opposite signs, but this time the bigger factor will be negative. X squared plus 5x plus 6. So the factors of 6 again are negative 6, and negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. But their sum is negative 5. Okay? So therefore, the factors is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay, so that's the final answer. Next, when looking for factors of positive number, when the sum is negative, both factors must be negative. Example 10, x squared plus minus 5x minus 36. So the factors of 36, we have so many. No, we have 1 times negative 36, 2 times negative 18, 3 times negative 12, and 4 times negative 5, and 6 minus 6. But their sum must be negative 5. And saan po yan? Ito lang po ang may ano. So we have positive 4 and negative 9. So these are the factors. Okay, so let's have a short quiz. X squared plus 3x plus 2. The factors is x squared plus 6, 1. Okay, and then for this, no, all right, so that's the answer. And 6y squared minus 13y minus 5. All right, so that number 4, the answer. So for questions and clarifications, please leave your comment at the comment section. Okay, so remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to ring the bell buttons. And mega love shout out to all my friends, my organic friends, my YTC international friends, Team Solid family, and everyone out there. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Love you all. Grade 8. Love you all.